Good, frosty, freezing Monday morning to everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and this is the end of the growing season as temperatures have all fallen below freezing outside of the New York City metropolitan area this morning. This is the daily video forecast discussion for Monday, the 19th of October, 2015. Clear skies and a chilly, cold morning across the interior with temperatures in the low 20s over interior northwestern New Jersey to the low and mid 30s in the New York City metropolitan area. And outside of that, the winds are calm, which has allowed for radiational cooling overnight under clear skies, and it's a cold morning. Even though the winds will become more westerly today, temperatures will not rebound too much above 50 for the afternoon highs, but good news is on the way for the rest of the week. Morning surface chart from WeatherRoanoke.com. A digital atmosphere software shows our high-pressure ridge right over the Virginias here, ridging all the way from New England down through the southeastern states. And as this high translates off the coast and then builds offshore over the next couple of days, the winds will become and turn more southwesterly tomorrow after a westerly component today, and this is going to allow temperatures to jump up back to near seasonable levels by Tuesday. Watches, warnings, and advisories. These freeze warnings here in the white, they'll all expire at 9 to 10 a.m. this morning. Meanwhile, we have small craft advisories on the coastal waters from the back bays here into Long Island Sound and South Shore and east ends of Long Island from 8 p.m. this evening to 6 p.m. on Tuesday, and this is for winds and seas at 15 to 25 knots, gust up to 30 knots. Some of these small craft advisories may be reintroduced to the Jersey coastal waters as well. Beautiful flying weather on this Monday morning with VFR conditions in place, and generally winds will be light at less than 10 knots through the period. Wind direction will shift northwesterly to southwesterly through the afternoon, and there is a small chance of low-level wind shear that could develop if winds aloft, currently north-northeasterly, don't shift to westerly as quickly as surface wind shifts occur. At this point, though, both wind shifts are expected to occur before this afternoon. Tuesday through Thursday, VFR generally south to southwesterly winds at around 10 knots, higher gust up to 20 knots possible both Tuesday and Thursday afternoons. Thursday night and Friday, VFR wind shifting to northwesterly once again, some gust Friday afternoon close to around 20 knots. Not bad out there at all. Right now at Newark, we have just a few clouds around at 2300, otherwise generally clear. Temperature's cold. It's 37, dew point 26, humidity 64%, VFR conditions in place. Philadelphia is up to 36, dew point 20. Visible satellite imagery this morning, cold, dry air on these visible satellite this morning, and then winds, all that cold air running over to the waters. Here we can see the buildup of cold cumulus clouds on the still visible satellite, dry conditions on the water vapor channel as well, and absolutely no precipitation in the forecast or even indicated on radar. And the surface chart this morning from the Weather Prediction Center shows our high pressure cresting at 1032 millibars here over the Virginias. Southwesterly flow developing ahead of this frontal system out to our west. And a moderation in temperature over the next couple of days. We'll get back into the 60s and even lower 70s in the Delmarva region by Wednesday afternoon, possibly a little lower on Thursday, and then a cold front comes through. This cold front will tend to stay to the north of the region with a warm front staying north of the region through most of the week until by Friday. That is when things begin to change a little bit as the warm front begins to move to our north on Thursday. The cold front and upper low across southeastern Canada and Atlantic Canada moves to the north and east, drives a dry cold front through the region, and more cooler, stable air building into the forecast region for the weekend. So it's going to be dry weather conditions once again on Saturday and Sunday across the region, with a return to southwesterly winds and a moderation slowly on Sunday of next week. Monday, another cold front moves through, and then more just general west to east flow, typical temperatures and seasonable conditions with dry conditions expected. The next 6 to 10 days from October 24th through the 28th sees near to above normal temperatures here across most of the country, below normal in precipitation as well. The next 8 to 14 days above normal in temperature and near to below normal in precipitation. So for everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Have a spectacular Monday.